Hello all, in this video let's see how we can match two sorted lists into one sorted list. So it is going to be a very simple problem. So let's jump into the whiteboard session and then let's see what we can do on this one. For example, let's say I have two lists 1, 2, 4. So I have this is as A. Okay, let's say we have B is equal to, let's say we do have 3, 5, 6. And why this is in the ascending order? If you see, look at the question, it is like two sorted lists. So these are the sorted list, and if I do A plus B, these two are the list, the output is going to be 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. But what they're asking over here is that, so they want it as sorted list. So basically what we have to do, we will do A plus B and we will sort this A plus B result so that it will look like, so it will come here and this will go here. So our final output look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's jump into the Colab and let's see how we can do this one. Okay, so I'm deleting the previous code here. Delete cells. Okay, so here, okay, for example, let's say list 1 L1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4, L2 is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now if we do L1 plus L2, because these two are the lists and this is how we can concatenate two lists, and this is going to be like fine 1 2 4 3 5, and you can see here 1 2 4 3 4 5. I just would like to add this sorted over here. That's all my problem. So it is 1 2 3 4 4 5. So this looks so good, and the same function, we will write now in the using the function define sorted list. Let's say we have A comma B and return sorted of A plus B. Now let's say I would like to pass 10, 30, 40, and let's say 20, 50, 60. So it has written like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is how simply you can merge two sorted lists into one sorted list. Thank you for watching this video.